Hello, it's me again, back with another episode, this time not doing a talking head video, but opening 2 packs of film that I've received recently. So while I've obviously already opened one package to reveal the Ziploc bag, I wanted to open that and go through it, and also open the UPS box for the first time to go through what's in them and give a massive shout out to the 2 guys. Thank you both very, very much. So the first of these packages was sent to me by Seong. John is an amazing and very kind photographer, and hopefully once things do calm down in a COVID-19 sense, he'll be able to come to the UK and Ireland like he planned, and we can hang out, take some pictures together. John recently received a massive batch of expired film but doesn't shoot 120 and was so kind by sending all of this to me for free and refusing payment. So let's have a look through it and see what's inside. Okay, so I just went through and took stock of what we have. We have, in the back, 11 rolls of Ilford's Delta 100, all expired in 2005. 5 rolls of Ilford FP4, expired in 2006. 2 rolls of Kodak Tri-X 400, expired 2013. 2 rolls of new Portra 160, expired in 2013. 1 roll of Ilford Delta 3200p, expired 2009. And 1 roll of Kodak's T-Max 100, expired 2013. 2 rolls of Kodak's Ektachrome E100 expired in 2006. 2 rolls of Portra 160 VC expired 2012, which I'm very much looking forward to shooting. And lastly, in that purple and silver package, we have 1 roll of Fujifilm Provia 100 expired in 2005. Altogether, this is 27 rolls of film, and I am extremely grateful for all of that, John. Thank you so much, and I will make sure to tag you in any of the cool pictures that I take with these. Much appreciated. Everybody, please do at least give John's account a look. Maybe his style isn't quite your thing and you don't want to follow him, but at least have a look. See if it's something you might be interested in. I think he's more than earned that shout out here. That took more attempts than you might think. Okay, this box came from Italy, from Fabrizio Pavone. I'm hoping I'm saying that name right. My Italian is limited to pastas and bantering with the Italians in work. It's from Fabrizio, aka FabriPav on Instagram. There's his handle. I'll put a link to him in the description as well. He recently got out of the medium format game. He's focusing on his Fujifilm X Pro 3 at the minute and does amazing work with that. I really highly recommend checking out his stuff because it never fails to impress me. While this wasn't a gift like John's package, he sold me the film within this package at a very, very good rate, and I'm very grateful to him for that. So thank you again, Fabri. So let's get into the unboxing. So the big reveal. We have a very nice little selection of films here, premium and HP5. HP5 isn't exactly a premium film, but you can do basically anything with it. It's the HP5 is the sliced cheddar of film photography. You know, you can do anything with it, and it might not be the optimum tool, but it's going to work. So what do we have? We have 2 rolls of Cinestill's 800T, 2 rolls of Fujifilm Acros 100 Generation 2. I've never shot Acros film. Next we have 2 rolls of Kodak's Ektachrome 100 E100 slide film. I'm really excited to shoot more of this. I've shot 1 roll of this already. Spoilers for an upcoming video. And then lastly here, we have our 3 little bundles of joy. The 3 rolls of Ilford's HP5 400 speed black and white film. Again, not the most posh, pretentious film, but it gets the job done. So that's it. Thank you very much once again to both John and Fabrizio, and thank you for watching.